So the question number 1, Article 21 of the Indian Constitution secures option number D, right to life, personal liberty and right to privacy. Question number 2, right to information acts aims to option number A, secure access to information from public authorities. Question number 3, which amendment to the Constitution inserted a new Article 21A providing right to education in the Constitution? Option number A, 86th Amendment. Question number 4, which article of the Indian Constitution is related to the fundamental rights against the exploitation of children? Option number D, Article 24. Question number 5, under which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution has it been provided that all minorities shall have the right to establish and administer educational institution of their choice? Option number C, Article 30. 6, under which article is the right to constitutional remedies mentioned? Option number B, Article 32. 7, what does the writ of mandamus mean? Option number A, we command. 8, which one of the following writs literally means you may have the body? Option number B, habeas corpus. 9, which constitutional amendment deleted the right to property from the list of fundamental rights? Option number C, 44th Amendment. 10, right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights during the rule of option number B, Morarji Desai government. 11, right to vote and to be elected in India is a option number C, constitutional rights. 12, under which article of the Indian Constitution can the fundamental rights of the members of the armed forces be specifically restricted? Option number D, Article 33. 13, according to the Constitution of India, which of the following are fundamental for the governments of the country? Option number C, Directive Principles of State Policy, DPSP. 14, the articles of the Constitution of India which deal with Directive Principles of State Policy are option number C, Article 36 to 51. 15, who described the Directive Principle of State Policy as a novel feature of the Constitution of India? Option number B, B.R. Ambedkar. 16, the Directive Principle of State Policy may be classified into which of the following parts of the sake of convenience study? Option number D, all of the above, socialist, Gandhian, liberal, intellectualistics. 17, the ideal of welfare state in the Indian Constitution is enshrined in its option number B, Directive Principle of State Policy. 18, in the Constitution of India, promotion of international peace and security is included in the option number B, Directive Principle of State Policy. 19, Article 40 of the Constitution of India advises the state to work for option number B, organization of village panchayats. 20, Article 46 of the Constitution of India says for to the promotion of educational and economic interest of option number B, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other weaker sections. 21, Article 43B was inserted into the Constitution by which amendment? Option number A, 97th Constitutional Amendment Act 2011. 22, Article 39A of the Indian Constitution deals with option number A, equal justice and free legal aid. Third, 23, the Directive Principle of State Policy is a check which is paid on bank's convenience. Who said it? Option number D, K.T. Shah. 24, in which article of the Indian Constitution was the provisions for fundamental duties and made by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act? Option number B, Article 51A. 25, fundamental duties were included in the Constitution of India on the recommendation of fundamental duties. Option number C, Swaran Singh Committee. 26, fundamental duties are given in which part of the Indian Constitution? Option number D, Part 4A. 27, which one of the following was added as a fundamental duty through the Constitution 86th Amendment Act 2002? Option number B, to provide opportunities for education to one's children between the age of 6 and 14 years. 28. Which one of the following are the legal provisions for the implementation of the fundamental duties? Number 1, Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955, Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967, Wildlife Protection Act 1972, Forest Conservation Act 1980. So the correct answer is in the given codes. Which of the following are legal provisions for the implementation of the fundamental duties? Legal provisions. Option number B is the right answer. 1, 2, 3 and 4. All of the above is the correct. 29. The first citizen of the Republic of India is? Option number B, the President of India. 30. The President of India is? Option number A, the head of the state. 31. Who determines the term and membership of the Central Council of Ministers? Option number C, President of India. 32. Acting Chief Justice of the Supreme Court in India is appointed by the? Option number C, President. 33. Who has the right under the Constitution to seek the opinion of the Supreme Court on questions of law? Option number A, President. 34. The President of India is elected by? Option number D, members of the Parliament and members of the state legislative assemblies. 35. What is the maximum age limit prescribed for the post of the President of India? Option number D, there is no maximum age limit. 36. How many times can the President of India seek re-election to his post? Option number D, any number of times. 37. Who administers the oath of the office to the President in absence of the Chief Justice of India? Option number D, senior most judge of the Supreme Court. 38. Which one of the following articles of the Indian Constitution deals with the impeachment process against the Indian President? Impeachment of the President. So Article 61, option number C is the correct answer. 39. As per the Constitution of India, the President may resign his office by writing under his hand addressed to? Option number D, the Vice President. 40. A President of India can be removed from his office by? Option number C, Parliament. 41. The President's seat can be left vacant for how much duration? Option number A, 6 months. 42. Power to grant pardons is enjoyed by which of the following constitutional authorities? Option number B, President and President and Governor of State. 43. Under which pardoning power of the President, one form of punishment is substituted by a lighter form? Option number A, commutation. 44. In India, the oath of secrecy to union ministers is administered by whom? Option number C, the President of India. 45. Under which pardoning power of the President is the duration of sentence reduced without changing its character? Option number B, remission. 46. While deciding any questions relating to the disqualification of a member of Parliament, the President shall obtain the opinion of? Option number B, Election Commission of India. 47. Which bill can be introduced without the prior recommendation of the President of India? Option number C, ordinary bill. 48. In pocket veto, the President of India can keep a bill for how much duration? Option number D, indefinite period. 49. The definition of money bill is given in which article of the Indian Constitution? Option number B, Article 110. 50. As per Article 274 of the Constitution, whose prior recommendation is required to the bills affecting taxation? Option number C, President. So it is your homework, guys. You have to answer of this question in the comment section. Okay. Who was the President of India at the time of proclamation of emergency in the year 1975? Write down the answer of this question in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, you can download PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.